Hello traders, I had a couple of trades trading the MT5 Expert Advisor Trend Trader. That by the way can be downloaded from mt5.robotfx.ro. Just click the download button, what it is, what it can do, what it cannot do, you'll find on the page. This video is for traders already familiar with this product. So without further talk, I'm just showing you this because it illustrates how the expert advisor, it shows how the expert advisor thinks and works. And the purpose is just to show you the settings. I have two charts where some action happened. One was the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and this is where a hedge happened. So a buy was opened, then the price triggered the pending hedging order, which was a sell, and then another buy again. Anyhow, I'm not going into discussing how the expert advisor works. For that, you will have to go to its page, like I said, and scroll to the YouTube videos. There is a list if you are interested in it, and also download a copy and try it yourself. In this video, as well as in the other videos in this playlist, I'm just going to show trades accomplished by the RobotFX expert advisors, and also show the settings that I have used. These are some settings sent by another client of ours that was who was complaining about the expert advisor not opening, not closing the hedging basket. So we're using his settings to try to investigate, to reproduce the issue. Looks like there is no bug, and the expert advisor is functioning properly. Must have some. He must have some broker related issue. We have no idea. So using his settings, we can say the expert advisor worked as it was supposed to. This is the US dollar Swiss crown. According to the settings, let's say that one second. There it is. Close open trades when the signal color changes if the profit is bigger than minimum profit, which for this setting is set to 5 cents. We can see that the expert advisor indeed traded with the trend, and when the price was above the trend line, the trend line was blue, and the expert advisor opened this trade when the signal changed the color from red into green into teal, and then it closed the trade accordingly when the signal color changed the color back, leading to almost 90 pips. So this is it.